Hearty welcome to the participants of Jaipur region to e-learning online course on designing e-resources designed by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Let us have a quick look at the course content: managing files and folders, introduction to MS Word, preparing PowerPoint presentations with narrations and converting the same to video, slicing videos, uploading video on YouTube, and preparing online quiz, preparing interactive worksheets using free open software, preparing audio files using free open software, and storing and sharing the resources prepared, and documenting all content online through Blogger. The contents of the course is shared through a dedicated URL for training to Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers in Yaksh platform. The URL is created by FOSSEE, Free Libre and Open Source Software for Education project team of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. We sincerely thank the FOSSEE team of IIT Bombay for creating an URL and allowing us to use their platform for training our Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers. The self-learning contents of the course are presented in the form of small videos. The course is totally on self-learning mode. You have to log in to https://kvsea.trgfosse.in to register and view the contents. Please note down this URL because there is one more URL called yaksh.fosse.in where you cannot find your course. Therefore, the URL is kvsea.trg.fosse.in. Let us start. You have to open the URL kvsea.trg.fosse.in. You have to open it. Well, it will take you to a login page. As you are a new user, you have to click new users and sign up. It will take you to a registration page where you have to give the following details. Select a very simple username. Give a valid email ID which is operational now, because after registration a link will be sent to your email ID for activation. Select a very easy password, not a complicated one, and confirm the password. Give your first name and give your last name. Then in the roll number, please enter serial number in the list of participants. We have received the list of participants from Jaipur region, which will be shared with you. Please note down this serial number. This will be your roll number from 1 to 50. This will be your roll number. This roll number is used by you for submitting your quiz and assignments. While you are submitting your quiz and assignments, you have to mention this roll number only. But please note down the serial number will be your roll number. In the place of institute, please enter your Kendriya Vidyalaya name. In the department, please type KVS. In position, please enter your designation with subject. I repeat, in the roll number, please enter the serial number as in the list of participants, that will be your roll number. In institute, please enter the name of your Kendriya Vidyalaya. In department, please type KVS, and in position, enter your designation with subject. Then simple, click register to register. One email will be sent to your email ID which you have provided in this registration form. Within 20 minutes, you have to activate it. Webmaster Yaksh email verification. Open that mail. There is a link which you have to activate to verify your email ID. Click it. Your account will be activated and your name will come in the right corner. And remember this username and password. Whenever you want to enter to view the contents of the course, you have to use these credentials. That is your username and password. And it is in this website only, kvsea.trg.fosse.in. Login to login. You can save this username and password in your computer also. It will take you to a page where the courses are listed. Here one caution, please do not enroll for this Yaksh demo course. I repeat, please do not enroll for this Yaksh demo course. Now you have to search the course designed for your region. For that, in the box search, you type Jaipur. Please note, you have to type Jaipur all capital because course code is case sensitive. Please type Jaipur in all caps and click search. It will take you to the online course on designing e-resources Jaipur region. Then you have to click enroll. Therefore, two steps. First, you have to register in the Yaksh platform, log in the search box, type Jaipur and then enroll it. It should be done only in kvs.trg.fosse.in. Well, good. You just enroll it. Again, a confirmation message will come. Enrolled in online course on designing e-resources Jaipur region by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Here also there are two courses. Ignore Yaksh demo course and click start for the course which is for you. That is online course for Jaipur region. Start. Again it will take you to a page where there is one discussion forum. You can click it and you can ask some questions, and if you want to see the content, click start. It will take you to a page where the lessons are arranged in order. You are seeing on the left side, the lessons are arranged in order from 1 to 26. You can click this icon to make it into a full page so that you can read comfortably. Now this is an introduction, read it. Then after reading, click start to enter lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is managing files and folders. Once again, you can click this icon to make it full page to read it comfortably. Now in every lesson, it has some introduction followed by one video embedded there. Watch this video. Every lesson will have videos. One video in every lesson. Therefore, watch this video because your quiz and assignments will be based on these videos only. Then after seeing this lesson number 1, if it is over, click next to go to lesson number 2. This is lesson number 2, that is preparing reading material and converting the file to PDF. Same way, you just click it and then see the video and then learn. Okay, some of you may be interested to jump. What is the meaning of jumping? Without seeing the in order, I want to directly jump to sharing videos online. It will not allow you. It will tell you have not completed previous lesson. Therefore, go back. What is the meaning of it? If you want to see lesson number 2, you should have seen lesson number 1. If you want to see lesson number 5, you should have seen lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, it is a kind of humble request from our side. Please don't try to watch all the videos at a stretch, having a lot of interest in it. Don't try to watch all the videos at a stretch because your quiz and assignment will be based on the videos in order. For example, the quiz and assignment number 1 will be based on 1, 2, 3, 4. Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. Then quiz and assignment number 2 will be based on lessons 5, 6, 7, 8. Please see the videos in order. It is enough if you watch only minimum 4 videos or maximum 5 videos per day. Therefore, do it in a leisure way and enjoy your learning. Okay, now I think all of you know that how to do it now. Therefore, you have to go in order. The lessons you have to go in order. Okay, if you have any confusion or any problem, there are some mentors in Zonal Institute of Education Training, Mumbai to help you out. Please call us and get your doubts clarified. Happy learning, friends. Bye.